Have you ever pondered the concept of artificial intelligence or AI? What about the possibility of obtaining a high-quality education without the hefty price tag? These are questions that have intrigued and puzzled many, and today we're diving right into the heart of these topics. Welcome to a journey like no other, a journey that will take you from the rudimentary beginnings of AI to the most advanced concepts in this field, all while breaking down the barriers of traditional education. This is a course that promises to be as enlightening as it is exciting. We'll be kicking things off with an introduction to artificial intelligence. What is it? How did it come about? We'll explore the history of AI, tracing its roots back to the mid-20th century and observing its rapid growth and evolution over the years. From there, we'll delve into the intricacies of AI. We'll be dissecting algorithms, machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning. We'll explore the principles that govern AI and how it works. And we won't just be talking about it. We'll be examining real-world applications of AI, from autonomous vehicles and virtual assistants to medical diagnosis and beyond. But this journey isn't just about understanding AI. It's also about using AI. We'll be giving you the tools you need to work with AI, equipping you with practical skills that you can apply in a variety of fields. We'll be discussing AI programming languages, AI frameworks, and even how to build your own AI model. And the best part? All of this is available to you at no cost. This isn't just a course, it's a revolution in education, a testament to the power of free knowledge. But the journey doesn't end there. We'll also be examining the ethical implications of AI, discussing issues like privacy, job displacement, and the AI singularity. We'll be posing tough questions and seeking thoughtful answers, encouraging you to think critically about the world of AI. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? To explore the wonderful world of AI and to take part in the free education revolution? If the answer is yes, then don't hesitate. Sign up for the course today and take the first step towards a future rich with knowledge and opportunity. Remember, the world of AI is vast and fast-paced, but with this course, you can keep up. Don't let this chance slip away. Sign up today and let your journey begin.